everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use voice changer on TikTok. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your TikTok application to get started. Also make sure that you're logged into your TikTok account, and from the main homepage, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open up the camera for TikTok. Now, record a video like you normally would by pressing the red circle at the bottom. Once you are done recording your video, you'll be taken to the video editing screen. Click on the microphone icon on the left-hand side menu and you'll be presented with a preview of your video at the top of the screen. At the bottom, you'll be able to see a list of voice effects from where you can swipe through and select the effect you'd like to use. Select anyone by giving it a tap, and now you can simply tap on the play button and your video should automatically play back your voice changed by the effect you chose. Also make sure to check this little box at the bottom that says replace original sound with recording. After you are done selecting, tap save at the top right and you'll be done. That is how you can easily use your voice changer effect on TikTok. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.